Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use the pre-clean mode on your THERMOMIX TM7. To use it, you can go to the mode selection button and then select the pre-clean mode. Then add 1 liter of water to your mixing bowl and a drop of dish soap. Optionally, instead of dish soap, you could add 50 grams of vinegar, especially if you have browning. As you can see, if you select the browning mode, then a vinegar would be better for that reason. Now, choose the mode that you would like to use. It shows you the approximate time needed for that mode. So I could, for example, select the quick one. Some modes will heat up the water. Yeah, also that is pretty important to know. Then once you put the lid on top of your device, you will be able to start cleaning. And it will start the pre-clean mode. At first it'll slowly mix, then it will quickly revert and it will change the speeds during the mode, then it'll start spinning in one direction, then in reverse direction, then again one direction, then the other one. It'll just change directions multiple times during that, so it cleans more effectively. Now I'll stop this mode because I actually don't have anything inside. And that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.